That's a schedule update. It's 8:12. So in Walmart, as you can see, the clouds, the sky is cloudy and still raining in my windshield. Okay, so this is updated rain shower afternoon from morning start at 10. So it's now is 8 past in the evening, but there's a sun. Still, there's a sun other side. Okay. So here in this side at the south, you can see the dark, cloudy, raining at Walmart, Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay. So in this north northwest, it's there's a sunny at the Atlantic side. At the Pacific, it's cloudy. Okay, so in the parking of Walmart at Canada, Saskatchewan, it's still raining until now, but there's still a sun in the south and the northwest of this area. Okay, so subscribe for updated weather in Canada, Saskatchewan. Still raining. Scattered rain shower. Even it's summertime until now. See, it's raining in the Walmart, Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, even in Sobeys area. Okay, so stay in my blog, weather for today. It is a tips for you if you have no idea about the weather in Canada, Saskatchewan. Now it's at this moment you see the rain, cold, a little bit windy in the plug. See, so in the front of parking lot of Canada, Saskatchewan, still raining for now. Okay, so until that's 1 a.m. in the morning. Still raining. See, even my windshield is still wet. See, so until now, after we go to work, still making a money, extra income for my coworker. I'm a service driver now. Extra income, extra amount, just for the gas, just for the food. Okay. So I grocery almost 70 bucks. So less something in my grocery, it's saved. Okay. Instead, waste my money for nonsense expenses. Okay. So this is the tips for now. If you have an extra job or you want extra income, about my tips, how to save your money, how to save your, how to make money in your house. I teach you how to save your paint or materials. That's the important is I give you a tips what is my experience and knowledge in life. Okay, you see the price of the grocery is higher and higher. The $1 before, after 2 years, it's become 147 point something, 47 point something because of every year, every month, quarter is getting high. Okay, so this is only my concern to you to save your money, to watch my blog. It's very the content is not nonsense. It can help for your daily needs, daily life, how to save your money and how to make money. So that's the very important tips coming from me. See, that's only I can share to you. Not only your job, you need the extra income, even a little bit amount just to make money and extra income Okay, so for now, that's only I give to you for today. Okay, see you guys and subscribe and click the button. Sorry, click the button for the notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week and the following week. Okay, see you guys in Canada, Saskatchewan, Walmart.